Project DeLorean by Sealant is a super fun Roblox game that's based on the movie series Back to the Future. It's a single-player game that allows you to drive Dr. Emmett Brown's DeLorean time machine. But you may be wondering, how do you end up making the car fly, and how do you complete the tutorial? Well, then this video is for you. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a thanks if this helps you out. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so once you enter the game, it's going to ask you to start the tutorial. Now, if you want to make your car fly, you are going to select sure. So the garage door is going to open right in front of you, and then what you want to do is get real close to this purple button and then click it so the DeLorean spawns. Then it's going to have you press the little red switch at the back of the car and open Mr. Fusion to refill it. So if we go to the back of the car here, we can see this little red switch if we click this, and then we can click the white thing and open Mr. Fusion to refill it. And then once it turns green, that means it's all done and we can move on to the next step. So if we sit in the DeLorean, this little menu is going to pop up on the top right. So if we click this button, it's then going to launch into a speech by Doc Brown, and he's going to tell you briefly how it works. If you wait for that to be over, though, it's going to show up with this little note that says input methods. So what you want to do is select a date. So let's say I want to travel to 08/08/2020, and then the time that I want to travel to is 12:34. Then if I click enter, the garage door is going to open right in front of me, and I can press W or my front arrow key to start going. And then once I hit 88 miles per hour up here, that's when the little animation is going to start, and then the time travel will be a success. Then you should get the badge. Now, once you dismiss this, congratulations. You can see that in order to make your car fly, you actually just need to press the space button. Now, it's a little glitchy because it's not meant to fly like that, but that is how you make the car fly in Project DeLorean. However, if you complete the tutorial, that's considered completing the entire game, and there's nothing else for you to do. And that's how you complete the tutorial and make your car fly in Project DeLorean on Roblox. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a thanks or a comment if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.